It's learning yet engaging.
Instead of the TV remote and the iPad, she searches for the Flintobox.
They mainly focus on practical activities, make the child independent. That's how they majorly focus on.
If you believe in the concept of learn while you play, then you have to go with Flintobox without any sacrifice.
She feels so proud to show the craft work that she has done. She says, Auntie, this is the aquarium that I did on my own. And they're very excited to do all the activities.
So what I found with Flintobox, but at one go I was able to purchase a toy for him. Secondly, I was my need to give my child that educational edge was there.
Flintobox helped my daughter to sit in one place and really do things and learn things.
I'll promise you 99.9% your child would leave the gadget thing to a great extent.
It was recommended by my friend, and now I recommend it to my other friends.
It is a wonderful box out there for any kids to learn.
Now you should really go and check the Flinto web page and see if you like it and order it for your child. I'm sure your child is going to love it.
I think every mother, whether working or not working, also should introduce a child to the Flintobox concept.
Oh yes, Tutu! He loves it.
We would like to say all parents that this is a wonderful gift from Flintobox team. So please go order it.
I'm really happy with Flintobox and I'd like to continue. Thank you.